Magnet Experiment by Caitlin Kiernan. This experiment will be creating ferrofluid, which will show the polarity changes due to magnetic fields. Ferrofluid is made of magnetic particles of metal. This fluid-like substance is paramagnetic, which means that when presented with a magnetic field, the fluid changes its polarity. The materials that we're going to be using is MCIR toner, which is a more expensive toner, more for businesses and fax machines, not exactly in the cheap range. And then we have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and then an earth magnet. So the steps, first we're going to pour a few tablespoons of the MCRI, which is the toner, into a container. Then we're going to pour the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil into it and mix them together. So the toner is usually a powder. If it's a liquid, that's fine. If it's not, it's going to be a powder. And so then we're going to look and watch the magnetic attraction. So now that we have the mixture all together, we're going to test the magnetic attraction. So basically what you're going to be doing is placing a magnet under the jar or container that holds the solution. You'll see a spiky texture, as you can see in the picture here, where the magnet is placed. As you move the magnet, the solution will continue to follow. So in this experiment, we saw that the ferrofluid reacted to the magnet, creating a spiky texture when next to it. This occurred because the ferrofluid is made of nanoparticles in liquid that are paramagnetic till it is activated. The iron particles in the ferrofluid are attracted to the magnet. As they create one magnetic field next to it repels against it. So each spike is a line of magnetic fields. And here are some pictures.